And once we run the show, everyone will know that we will be the ones that hold the highest truth. And once we run the show, everyone will know that we will be the ones that hold the highest truth. Strong, on my face, I tell them doggone, wheel up, that's my place. There's nothing to it, I just do it. Nothing but love under the sun. And once we run the show, everyone will know that we will be the ones that hold the highest truth. And once we run the show, everyone will know that we will be the ones that hold the highest truth. A kingdom in my heart, a rain of light that lights up the dark. When I step to it, I just do it. Nothing but love under the sun. And once we run the show, everyone will know that we will be the ones that hold the highest truth. And once we run the show, everyone will know that we will be the ones that hold the highest truth.
chalaga. Oh my god. 누가 봐도 내가 좀 죽여주잖아. Right. 내가 제일 잘 나가. 내가 제일 잘 나가. 내가 제일 잘 나가. 내가 제일 잘 나가. 제일.
Yeah, little mama, you looking good. So you wanna play with a player from the hood? Come holler at me, you got it like that.
Listen up. Yeah. I can't take this up.
Everybody, thanks for joining GWQC's Factory Livestream 2022. I can see a lot of familiar faces today who also watched our live stream in 2020 and 2021. My old friends, you know me, I'm never the type of person who would repeat herself. So today's live stream is not going to be the rehash of some old subjects. I'd like to show you around our casting foundry. Everybody in the railroad turnout business would admit that the solid manganese steel frog is the key component of the turnout. The quality is decisive. Here in GWQC, we use VRH technology, which meets the high standard for environmental protection. The capacity is 9,000 pieces of solid manganese steel frog each year. The capacity is big, but I'm not going to talk too much about the capacity. Several years ago, when I was in Berlin attending the InnoTrans, I had a potential customer. We had a conversation. He mentioned that whenever he talked to those Chinese suppliers, they have one thing in common. They would always talk about the size of the plants, the size of machine, the size of everything. But he said, I am the different one because I would emphasize more on the quality control. In GWQC, size is important, but the quality control is obviously much more important. One of my best friends in America, she's also a customer. There was a time that we were talking about business opportunities. The first question she asked me was, Lin, what raw material do you use in your casting foundry? This is a very good question, as raw material is closely related to the chemical composition of the frog. GWQC is very careful with what we would put into the furnace. Let me show you some pictures. Yes, real webs and only real webs. This is what we would put into the furnace. After we get these beautiful, perfect frogs, some customers might require flash bed welding or EDH. And I can't believe there are still customers asking me this question. Hey Lin, can GWQC do flash bed welding? Can GWQC do EDH? Of course, 100% for sure. We have 2 flash bed welding machines in GWQC, and we have been doing EDH for 80 years. In different countries, there are different standards or criteria for EDH, and GWQC is very experienced with that. Let me give you some examples. I have to emphasize again, GWQC has a very strong R&D team. Whatever demand you have, just let me know. It could be a business opportunity for me, and I can save you money. Next, my coworkers will introduce switch reel machining workshop and the frog machining workshop to you. Enjoy!
We'd like to introduce you a new big guy. Ta-da! Machine slide wave protection hood. Do you know how long it is? The distance between my partner and me. That's the maximum machining length of this machine is 28 meters. Hi, Sabrina. Hi, Jasmine. Let Sabrina to give us a good introduction. Okay, forward.
Hello everyone, I'm Sabrina He. This double gantry milling machine in both directions can machine 4 switch rails at the same time, and it can do all the milling work of the spike rails in one machine. The switch rail length is more than 25 meters for AS60, 1 in 25 swing nose crossing turnout. We have a new speed up turnout which is certified by CRCC. It is extremely strict for the switch rail machining. Let's see it together.
US and Canada switch reel production line at the end of the last year, and the whole line is produced and inspected by dedicated personnel. This has greatly improved the efficiency and shortened the production cycle.
Long delivery time? No, ever.
Please try us.
With purchase order. Next, we will perform a wonderful Roomba for you. Empty world.
In this world, there are crowds of people. How fortunate I have you and me. Enjoy, please.
回树叶飘转在池塘。 心动，身旁那么多人，可世界不声不响，笑声中浮过几张旧模样，留在梦田里，永远不散场。暖光中醒来，好多话要讲。世界那么多人，可是他不声不响。这世界有那么个人。
Hi Stora, remember me? Last year I introduced you the machining workshop, but I'm not going to do it again because I want to see if there anything interesting happening here. Come with me this way. Oh look, who is there? It's Mr. Dong. Hi Mr. Dong. Mr. Dong, he is in charge of the production scheduling of the whole workshop. Say hi.
Hi.
Bye-bye. Okay, this way please. So these are the same familiar equipments which can make all the kind of frogs for my friends. Oh, I see my colleague Cassie there. Let's go and see what she up to. Yo, Cassie, what you doing here?
Hi, Nora. My customer has placed an order. The schedule was very tight, and I wanted to check on the production progress to give feedback to my customer.
What kind of product did they order?
It's 1 in 12 RPM dual gauge turnout.
That sounds a little bit complicated. Tell me about it.
Okay, I will introduce it briefly. It consists of 2 different RPM frogs. The total length is 1 to 145.9 millimeters. The wing rails and insert were assembled with hook bolts. The difficulty of making this frog is the connection part of the 2 RPM frogs, where the space is small. But there are many components, such as 4 heel rails, 4 blocks, and related rail washers. Not only the dimensions of each part need to be guaranteed, but also the size of the assembly parts, which is a test for our assembly team. The other difficulty is bonding. The magnet insert and block are cemented with ET5383, which needs to be cemented within a specific time. It's also a great test for us, requiring multi-people to operate at the same time. It needs perfect cooperation.
Oh my god, it does require skilled workers to operate.
Yes, every worker in the machining workshop has more than 4 years of experience, but this one is just a beginning level. We have a more complicated one over there.
Okay, show me. Let's
Okay,
go.
this way.
This one?
Yes, small one, small crossing.
Oh. What's this? Tell us about it.
It's a curved diamond crossing, but unfortunately only one frog is here. Others are on the production line in the casting foundry. Curved diamond is nothing special, but this one is different. There are mainly 2 points. The first one, all the flange has assembled a stainless steel insert. Not only can reduce the noises, but also enhance comfortable feelings. The second one is the end of crossing is very small. We have to use special cutting tools. GWQC customized special cutting tools adopted CNC machining to achieve accurate machining perfectly.
Amazing! So, as long as my friends need it, no matter how hard it, we can always accomplish.
Of course, our technical team can solve all kinds of problems for our friends. We are patient and work hard to figure out how to solve these problems. That's why we have so many friends.
Well, I think my friends have seen what we are capable of in this 10 minutes. Time to say goodbye. It's the end of our machining workshop tour. Bye bye.
Oh, wait. Jasmine has showed us a wonderful dance. We end like this is a bit spoiled.
Well, if she danced, let's sing.
Okay.
Woke up on the right side of the bed. What's up with this spring song inside my head? Hands up if you're down to get down tonight. 'Cause it's always a good time. Slapping all my clothes like I did kite. Hoping to a cab, take me anywhere. I mean if you're down to get down tonight. 'Cause it's always a good time. Let it go, can't hold it back anymore. Let it go, turn away and slam the door. I don't care what they're going to say. Let the storm rage on. The cold never bother me anyway. I hate myself for loving you. Can't break free from the things that you do. I wanna walk, but I run back to you. That's why I hate myself for loving you.
Finally, I'd like to invite my talented and legendary co-workers, the fantastic GWQC sales team. Welcome. Cassie, she's taking care of the business in Australia, in New Zealand. And Joey, he's a newcomer. John, he's responsible for African and Asian market. Jasmine, she's doing the business in America. And Nora, the Canadian girl. Ines, the newcomer. I want to thank you again for the business opportunity. We cherish every moment with you. Thank you.